Good morning, guys. I am at new home again. Another house, brand new home, all construction all over, and they're still building. And nobody is not building yet. So this furnace, it's 90%, and this house just sold. They say the same, just sold. Oh, they said the heat is not working. I have to get here. The empty. This is a beautiful house too as well. It's always the office toilet. Ooh, look, beautiful kitchen. Oh, this oven, kitchen. I realize it's nice. Look at the oven. This is a new style. This storage for the kitchen. If you want to save some stuff on it, this is dishwasher. And then it's another room. This is like other storage. Wow. Just storage by itself. This is small other one too. This one bed. This is garage doors. It's garage door. And this fireplace. But the heat is in cold. But not in work. To check another thermostat. I have another room there. I've done the stuff. This is another toilet. Another room. This closet for towels. This one is big, more. So many rooms. Another room on toilet and on bedrooms. This two laundries. And this another room. This is closet, like another room. And this is toilet. And the room. Wow. This is master room. No, it's not master room. This master room. Others. This one. It's big, huge. Thermostat. 1670, but nothing coming on. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Look at the style in the ceiling. It's beautiful, huh? Oh. It's fantastic. And then this is like dining room or something like that. How do you call it? If you want to watch TV. This is furnace, but it's collecting heat, but the system is not on. I don't know to find out what's going on. So I was thinking maybe pressures keep closing, keep opening, but no water. The problem is so many issues is drain lines, because this drain line, it should be before, it should be after over here should be after for AC, because it keeps air going back to coil and keeps pressure switch open, not close. That's why I was thinking, but that's what I have to do. But I have to make sure for LED light first. My LED light to bring my how many of the light is flashing. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means 10. 10, 10. 10. It says pressure switch time and single hit, then something like that. That's what happened. The only issue, this one. I had experience because it happens to me so many times like this. There's nothing wrong with pressure switch or anything. Only drain line. So that's problem. See the hood, see if something. It's clean. Check all the connect. See some water, but issue this one is not tight enough. Yeah. So that's what I have to do. So I have to go to brand PVC and glue and some stuff. So I have to turn the system off. Where's the pressure? Off. So I have to cut it from here. First I have to cut it from here. I have to take a picture first. Because you First oil. Let's put this one over here. That's what it should be. Where is this cover? You have to put this cover over here. Not to have any negative air going back to over here. Then now this one is okay. And now I have to make another line. Next to my I'll put it going back. I'm gonna sure now that it's going back over here. The problem is not going to fit. Try to have another tube here. But if I will make another one, I have to put 90 over here. 90. And then I will make another one, and then it goes to this one. That's how it should be. Make 90 over here, and then comes over here. Did I have that? I don't know. So I have to make a 90 like this. Before I put it always that's what I like. And then I have to put this one. And then 90. But the problem, the filter I have to make it a little smaller. Somebody like to change the filter, it will be easy. Yeah. That over here. Of course, it's not good to use this one, you will break this pipe. So I have to cut it here, and then after that I have to put 90, I will put the rest. Okay, to cut it from here. Special 90% is sensitive. I call like woman sensitive. Something is not going to turn. something is not going to turn on. So this. First, I have to put the glue over here to make it 90. There's the glue. That's why I like to make to wear gloves. This one. This one is done. Make it like this. This one, I have to wear it like this. Yeah, that's what it should be. And then I have to use this one like this. Like this. That's why it works. Well, to have a little for AC, we're going right. Have to cut it from here. Oh, it's still big. I'll measure before cut it chasing. And I will put this a small piece. I suppose to get this. It's right. Like this. this. That's what it should be. First to start from here. Just take it just a little. It looks like a little bigger. I can turn the furnace on. Takes like 5 minutes daily. So what is that mainly? That you want. Like this. For put it down. Yeah. To put one time to bam bam. Put everything together. Like this. Yeah. I wish if I would put some glue to the one over here. So that's why the switch keeps open this one is. High surface metal. Only the issue, drain line. This drain line, because it's connected with this one and then goes over here and keeps that pressure switch opening. Too much air. Now AC drain lines is by itself, and then share here it goes, because I don't have to push it here by itself to have two. But I can, that's why I have to use T here, and this is a heat drainer. If something you can use, and you can close it, and system is running. That's what happened because about drain line issue. And thank you for watching. I hope we'll see you again.